ako sa, premiere ng aking album. Ha? Okay. Yun lang.
Pwede bang pasample ng yung kanta mo?
Ano bang gusto mong kanta?
Kahit ano.
Hindi ko alam kung anong lamo
Ano ba? Hindi ko alam. Okay. First time I laid my eyes on someone like you. I can't forget the hour, that moment with you. Then I realized love is growing deep inside, and I've been up a bit the same. 'Cause every day and every night I keep looking at the skies, and I pray that someday you will wake up in my arms, and love will never wane. We belong together, always and forever. Just call my name and I'll be there. Okay, that's all. That's lang na yung kanta ko. Yun lang.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for the interview. Hello to my fans there and up there. Okay, bye. That's all.
Ilalagay natin ito sa YouTube.
Okay.
Malay mo doon ka sumikat.
Oo nga. Hindi, sikat na ako. Alam mo ba, may album na nga ako, di ba?
Ano yun?
Papalasik ka lang.
Yung album mo walang cover?
Hindi, may cover yun. Alam mo ba yun?
Walang cover, kaya
Sulat pa yung
para
ano,
sumikat
kanta ko.
ka.
Ha?
Para sumikat ka, ilagay natin sa YouTube.